bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, 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 bell,
Hey, what's up, man?
So something happened.
What happened?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Are you feel? How are you? My heart's still going.
You're still going?
Oh my
I
gosh.
feel pretty good. To be honest with you, I guess we'll just show you.
The day didn't turn out as planned.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, just like you saw in the thumbnail, the Mini Cooper is officially getting a color change. Now, the color that I went with is sitting right in front of me, and this may be the worst decision of a color I have ever made, probably ever. Now, I did see this color on a McLaren 720S one time, and it's definitely bright and wild. And I'm obviously not going to show you right now. I'm going to black and white this out, but the Mini Cooper is almost ready to go. I've got all the badging off. I got to figure out the door handles, the headlights, the tail lights. Everything else is ready to go. Just got to give it a final wipe down, and then this thing's going to change color. Alright guys, so behind this door, the Mini Cooper is officially done. Now the color is awesome. I'm super pumped on it. Now this is the first time I've ever wrapped a car, so it's not perfect, but it looks pretty cool to me. So without further ado, introducing the new color on the Mini Cooper. Alright guys, so the color is Hexus Gloss Fluorescent Yellow. What do you think, dude?
It's so bright.
It is so bright.
This looks nothing like the McLaren, but it looks sick.
He's referring to the McLaren 720S we saw that looked amazing. The Mini Cooper obviously is looking, it's looking cool. It's not quite as cool as the McLaren.
It legitimately glows in the dark. When we have it in the warehouse and the lights are off, it seriously shines and you can see your way through the warehouse.
And I'm not gonna lie, as I wrap this thing, I think I burned out my corneas. I'm not seeing color lately. It's so bright. And it's so hard because on camera right now it's looking a little bit more yellow. It is so bright in person. Now obviously we've got a autocross, basically a track tire on the Mini Cooper, so they're not really designed for snow. We weren't expecting this much snow. We might as well go test them out though, right?
You didn't drive it home last night, so that's indicative of how this thing is going to drive. You're scared.
I drove it in the parking lot, and in this little tiny bit of snow, it legitimately doesn't move. So we might as well go test it out on some hills, right?
Let's go.
All right, guys, so this is gonna be the Mini Cooper 0 to 60 time in snow.
There, you got it. See if you can spin 360 here.
Coming back towards you?
Coming back towards me.
Okay,
Don't hit me though, please. How are you gonna beat the focus?
Give me a second.
You'll get there.
Give me a second.
I'm trying to convince him to go. You can't really see it, but there is a ridiculous hill that would be amazing to try to get up. But Luke is scared. They're like
tires
they're like rocks.
They don't do anything.
This is, oh my gosh. We're gonna get stuck.
There is just no.
There's nothing.
We're just going straight.
There's nothing. There's nothing in this. It is fun, but I have nothing to say.
Yeah, these tires are complete trash in the cold weather in the water. We couldn't even get traction at all.
Are you happy with it?
I love the color. It was obviously a little bit scary to actually get this color, but when we put it on, first out in sunlight, it was the right choice for sure.
Oh boy, and it looks like a McLaren.
All right, guys, we figured we'd bring out both cars. Now, it did snow a little bit more last night, so what I'm thinking, and I hope what they're thinking, is we're gonna go get some Christmas shots. what's up, man?
So something happened.
What happened?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
Are you feel? How are you? My heart's still going.
You're still going?
Oh my
I feel
gosh.
pretty good. To be honest with you, I guess we'll just show you.
The day didn't turn out as planned. I'm following you, and I see you sliding, and then my heart stopped.
Well, you can see my tracks. I just kind of got going, and then I saw a tree, and then I just was going about 4 miles an hour. And yeah.
What happens if we just leave it down here, and this could be like a destination where people come to see the Mini in the creek? That'd be great.
All right, guys, so yes, unfortunately, it looks like this is the end of the Mini Cooper. Now, obviously, the front end took quite a lot of damage. The air condenser, the radiator's all kind of bent up.
Your zip-tied front lip is gone.
My zip-tied front lip, that's probably what I'm most sad about.
What about the 17 hours that you took wrapping this thing like 2 days ago?
Obviously, the wrap looked awesome for a couple of days. And then also, you can't really tell, but in the undercarriage, obviously, the control arms are all bent up, the tie rods. I mean, the exhaust literally cracked in half down here. And then obviously the rear where it hit some boulders, that's not looking so hot. Even the battery box, that's supposed to be completely straight. It's totally mashed.
It's gnarly.
So
seriously, guys, don't be like Luke.
Yeah, don't be like me. We obviously knew I had track tires on there. We anticipated a little bit of snow, but I didn't think that the slope in the road would actually take me over. So it all happened super slowly, but unfortunately the Mini, it's not looking so hot. So this leaves us with 3 options. A, we fix it, put some money back into it, and get it back to what it looked like. I don't know about that one. B, we scrap it for parts and make a little bit of money.
The smart decision.
Or C, we cut the roof off and turn it into a hot tub. Wait, what?